Smoothwrap from Infinity Pro by Conair. So what this has is it has the advanced plasma technology. What that means is it's going to help rebalance the natural charge of your hair. What that means is less frizz, smoother results, a nice soft bouncy blowout if that's what you're looking for. It's great for naturally aging hair as well as chemically treated hair with that frizz fighting element. It is a super quick blowout. I was amazed by how fast this took me. Using the concentrator also comes with a diffuser, but I went in using the concentrator, so I'll show you now. Okay, getting started. Even when hair is really wet and I'm in the rough drying phases of this, I like to use the round brush and really direct hair up at the root. So when the hair is really dry at the root, that's when you're not going to have the volume fall. So you want to make sure it's dry, and you can just use, honestly, this is the Knot Doctor round brush, and it gives me nice hold and grip as I'm directing hair up, as I'm trying to get the bounce and the blowout and the volume. So it kind of does it all to help you out. And you can see in the end, when you just hold it, let it kind of flip under in the ends, you're going to get a really amazing blowout that's going to last you for a while.